Hi guys, welcome back to NOM Software Automatic Solution channel. If you are doing MMO or selling on Instagram, you still have to manually post one by one. This video will save you at least 80% of your time and effort. A lot of Instagram stores have orders every day, not because they're better at marketing, but because they have a system of posting and raising accounts. Support automatic posting. This is the main interface of MKT Insta software. This software will support you to manage unlimited Instagram accounts and support feed accounts according to user behavior, similar to real users. That account when you raise to sell, you all need to have full avatar accounts, clear posts, and background posts. Like here, I am adding articles so I can post on Instagram accounts automatically. Here you can either add a lot of different content or use the content spin structure. The software will randomly grab one of the content that you have added. Here I will add the content that I use AI Chat GPT so that I can write. You can absolutely post text content with photos, or you can post videos. For what you're doing business with or making money on the platform. One of the biggest mistakes people make on Instagram is using only one or two accounts. You post manually and there is no system to support your account. Then you will have a lot of problems, such as posting is very time-consuming, cannot cover the content, nick will be easily squeezed, and not be able to scale large numbers. It should be that when you deploy sales business to make money on the platform, you are required to do large quantities and have automation tools. A very important thought is that if a nick doesn't work, 10 nicks will definitely work. If 10 nicks doesn't work, 100 nicks will work. Then this is after you add the content. You choose the Instagram post feature. Then you will set up this content, the number of posts that you will post, and the options you customize according to your needs. There is a time gap between two posts to avoid the fact that your account posts too fast. The platform may be scanning your account for spam. After the setup is done, you will press the start button. The software will automatically run for you. There are steps to be able to set up. You can post sales on Instagram to multiple accounts at the same time. Help you save time. You alone can manage 50 to 100 accounts, even 1,000 Instagram accounts without hiring more staff. If you want to post Instagram automatically, build a sustainable account as an MMO or sell more regularly, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I go below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.